Hey guys, it's been a minute since I've done a video. I've been on vacation, so I haven't been able to. Now I got a stack of mail that I gotta go through, but this one is extra special. So I'm gonna do a quick one right now because I cannot wait any longer. I am what you may call a Compoform virgin. And also, I got my knife open. Thank you, you dicks. Okay. Everybody's like, I just watch so that I can see you not open your knife. Oh my God, this is Compoform. I've never touched a Compoform before. Oh my God. This is the Compoform one, right? Why the hell is Dead Nuts in here? Okay. Oh my God. Everybody says these are the Ferrari. Oh, Pluke. Everybody says this is Gutty-ten. Everybody says that these are the Ferrari of the Fidget world. Oh my God, there should be 3 things here. Okay, before I open anything. Oh my God. So there should be the new Allure. Clover and the 3 points, sorry, the Allure, the Clover, and then the V1.1. Here's those chips, magnetic. Insane, huh? Gosh. Sorry, my dogs are barking. So these are from Lefty EDC. I don't know why they made it in here, but this is his swag. He's a great channel. You should check him out. Okay. I think this is the Clover. Let's see. Oh no. Oh, okay. Okay, so the Clover's coming separate. He loaned me this V2. This is just a loaner. Shut the fuck up, my stupid dog. This is just a loaner so that I could do a review. This is the one, whoa, that can reverse polarity. So Ivan came up with this way. God, look at that. Let me zoom in a little bit on this. Shit. So this is the Argyle V2. So people complain that the magnet strength was too weak, and it was too weak because of the reverse polarity thing. I'm mispronouncing everything. Man, this thing is beautiful though. But yes, the magnets are pretty weak. So let's take a look. So these should be the 1.1 and the Allure. Oh my God. Okay, this is the 1.1. Oh, they're not actually even making these anymore. Look at that. Purple on one side and blue on the other. Oh my God, and it feels so nice. God, and it's light too. Okay, so the way this works is it's got a track. Oh my gosh. So I think that there's a certain way you've got to have these pointed. The track's got to go down. Freaking amazing. Oh my God. Oh yes. Instantaneous favorite. You feel that? You hear that? That clack? You turn it sideways. Oh man, it's nice. I know Lefty does. What does he do? This move? Yeah. Like that. Oh yeah. Oh, it's great. Okay. Okay, so now let's check out the new Allure. I'm actually getting another one. Oh my God, in the skull one. Oh my God, the texture is freaking amazing. Do you know he welds these together? Oh man. All right. Oh wow. Wow. Wait, hold on. It's so weird because the inside textures are opposite. I guess it's to make it more drag. Hold on. Oh yeah. That's nice. God. Damn. So let's do a little quick comparison of the V2 and the V3. So the main difference is yeah, you can't do the reverse polarity. So these were designed to do that, and if you see, it's got the same pattern on both sides. I love this argyle pattern. I'm with you on this, Luke. The pattern is the shit. Yeah. But I guess that it's so hard to make this pattern that it sorry, my dog. That it like wastes a lot of material. So it's like really hard. So right off the bat, you hear that's the Allure. Shh, this damn dog. They're really happy to see me. Get. Okay. Now, one of my friends, Preston, did this thing where he put one of the V2 pieces in there to make a sandwich. Oh wait, shit, it didn't work. Can you do it this way? Oh wait, no, shit. I'd have to do two. Yeah. Oh my god, Preston, you're ridiculous. This is what you did, dude. Oh my god, get out of here. Okay, so yeah, right off the bat, the magnet strength is so much different. I wish there was like a medium between this and this, but this one is pretty damn awesome. It's just weird because the pattern is opposite, it's scratchy. Whereas this, I think it has a little bit of a nicer sound. But the magnets are so weak, like it's coming off the track even. See, I'm trying to do a normal ladder move. Yeah, I mean, it feels real good though. Jeez, that's beautiful. I would say if you did an Allure with the argyle pattern, it would be the perfect one. Okay, so now let's get back to this guy. Oh. Sorry. Hold on, I'm not holding it right. Holy shit, what did I do? Does this guy have to be downwards? Yeah, this thing's awesome. I actually think I like the texture on this one much better. Does it have the same? No, it doesn't. Oh. Well, that's got the wavy, but this has the round one. Okay, so the texture on this one, God, it's so weird. And this one's a lot bigger too. This one feels better in your hand. Though, some people don't like this motion. I'm not one of those people. This thing is fire. This thing is amazing. Love it. Can't go wrong, V1.1. However, one of my friends, Kyle, who does Fidget Focused, he didn't like it. So, you know, it is about preference. But, you know, Lefty, EDC, and me, we love that move. So, it's such a weird scratchy sound. You hear that? I would say that if this bad boy had a little bit stronger magnets, it would be the perfect slider. The magnets are just too weak. See? It's just coming apart. Like, shit. Sorry, Fluke, you didn't see that. This is actually on loan, so I can't really be fucking it up. But it's the same size. But you're not going to be able to find the Argyle pattern. So, and they're not making the V2 anymore. Or actually really the V1.1. So really the Allure is the only one they're making along with the Clover, and then there's the Super Bean. I'm going to have to do a comparison video with this and some of the other sliders that I have. Ow! This definitely has a lot stronger magnets. Alright, so completely honest review. This thing is amazing in every way. Okay. This thing is amazing, except it needs stronger magnets. But other than that, it's perfect. This, it's really scratchy. The texture's so weird on it. And it just sounds real weird. You hear that? It performs the way you'd like it to perform, you know, as a free-floating track designer. I wonder if I put some tape or something on this thing. Well, I mean, I'm definitely, this is definitely not going anywhere. But I feel like maybe the Modus Works one might be better. Oh. The craftsmanship is amazing. I don't like the pattern inside. Yeah. Ow! It pinched me. And then this particular design doesn't have a lot of grip. It's very flat. Let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit here. So I would actually recommend maybe getting one of these bad boys because they make this design, I think it's called the fingerprint or something, in the Allure. This has a ton of grip. Oh, I'm holding it the wrong way again. I think that if this had this design on it and then the middle, I don't know why, but it just, you hear that? This sounds like a normal slider. This, on the other hand, it's like scratchy and screechy. Well, I'm gonna have to spend a little bit more time with it. it just messes with the tactile sensation. Now this is amazing. Just fucking amazing. I just love it. Oh my god, this is like amazing. Like, I'd actually probably prefer this even with the softer magnets. Shit. It's just really hard to do certain moves with the magnets being so light. But this thing is perfect. Are they the same? Yeah, I think they're the same dimensions. So, I don't know. I mean, if you're gonna, this is definitely better than the magnet sliders. But I don't know if it's better than them. Sorry. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to spend some time with it. But, initial first impressions, this thing is fucking amazing. Get it. This thing is fucking amazing, and I wish that they still made it. This thing, I'm not sure. The design doesn't provide a lot of grip. The tactile, shut up! The tactile feel of it is a little weird, and so is the sound. Maybe I'm just not used to Compoform. But definitely I would not recommend getting this design because it's too smooth. I mean, it's pretty, but this is better. And then I've heard that the skull one, I'm also getting the skull one. I've heard that the skull one has a lot more texture. So, but anyway, thank you, Pluke. And thank you, everybody, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you.